Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Avalanche key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this. This here is the bottom. See, this here is the button, and right here you see this small hole at the bottom. Now when you find this small hole, take the flat screwdriver, insert the tip right in this hole and just twist it a little bit, and this way this will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now when you separate this fob into two pieces like this, right after that on this side you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, take the small flat screwdriver again, insert the tip here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place you need to insert your new battery like this, and also make sure here this side is the negative side facing up. So this step here is very important. Alright, now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure here everything fits together and snap them together. Now when you snap these two pieces together again like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.